I'm Dan from The Food in My Beard. We're here on my roof in Roxbury, Massachusetts. Today I'm making a grilled peach upside down cake and topping it with basil ice cream. For these peach upside down cakes, I wanted the batter to be almost like a shortbread cake. I have this soft butter and sugar. You can tell I'm not a pastry chef here. Have bourbon, and I'm just gonna add like about a tablespoon of this. And that's like the texture that I want. I'm not gonna add the rest of the flour. I've made a huge mess here. We're doing great so far. That's what you're looking for, not too thick, not too thin. I'm gonna take these and throw them right on the grill. On top of these peach upside down cakes, I wanted to do a basil ice cream. I think peach and basil are like the flavors of the summer, and when you put them together, they just work really well. The beer doesn't go in the ice cream. This is milk. I dissolved sugar in here as well as milk powder. I just put the basil in when the milk was still a little warm so that it would extract even more flavor. And then a little bit of freshly chopped basil just to add some color to the ice cream and a little more punch of that basil flavor. That's it. Now we're just gonna freeze it. I'm gonna check on those cakes, grab them off the grill, and build up our dessert right here. Oh yeah. That's the reason I grilled them on one side, to get a little bit of char, but also so that you can see when you're eating this, like this is clearly made on the grill. This is the best dessert that I've ever made. I can't believe how good it tastes. The cake is so buttery and soft on the inside, and it has that burnt peach flavor. This is definitely made on the grill. Like, you can taste the grill with every bite, but it also tastes like summer in every bite. I can't believe I haven't made this till now. Like, it's mid-August. I'm gonna make this I'm gonna make this till the summer's over as much as I can because it's so damn good. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. We got one more Grilling At episode left. And if you make this recipe, send some pictures on social media, tag me at TFimB.